Good morning, students. So, in this video, we are going to revise EVS 1 revision. Okay. So, here are the topics which I have completed for the first semester test. Total 7 chapters are there, students, for the first semester. Our society work according to certain rules. The Constitution of Independent India abolish untouchability. Wrong customs and tradition causes the neglect of some section of society. After 1988, the minimum age for voting was changed to 18 years. Turning a blind eye to a problem make them worst. It is important to be able to identify the problem. Sant Gadge Baba uses kirtan to stress the importance of cleanliness. Discussion can help to solve the dispute. Peace is a social value. A section of our society being homeless is a social problem. The population of the world is increasing all the time. Energy is needed to produce construction material. The city of Mumbai comprises 7 islands. Trees are felled in great number and forests are reduced. Season from October to March is the Rabi season. Fertilizers are added to the soil to restore its fertility. Overwatering makes the land saline and fallow. During Kharif season, the crops are watered by rain. Pesticides are used to protect the plant from disease. Neem leaves are mixed in the grain to protect it from pests. Spores of fungus are present in the air and water. Substances added to jam and pickles are to preserve them are preservatives. The nutrition value of food reduces. Nutrition value of food reduced because of microorganisms. To enjoy fruits and vegetables all year round, we make effort to preserve them. Chapter number 14, Transport. Using a vehicle save time and effort. We need fuel in automobile for them to run. Traffic accident causes injury, death and damage to vehicles. The leaves of plant shrivel up and falls off due to pollution. Chapter number 16, Water. Sewage water can carry microorganisms that spread diseases. The land dries up due to evaporation of water. Chlorine is mixed in the water to kill the germs in it. Salt dissolved in water. When other substances get mixed with water, it becomes impure. Answer in one word. What did the Constitution of Independence abolish? Untouchability. What are the big obstacles in our society? Poverty and lack of education. Which value have been a part of our social life? Non-violence and peace. What? Name the great personality who stressed the importance of cleanliness. Sant Gadge Baba and Rashtra Sant Tukadoji Maharaj. What do we mean by voluntary contribution? Shramadhan. What is needed to produce construction material? Energy. Which city comprises 7 islands? Mumbai. Who take shelter at roadside? Homeless people. What type of house consume minimum natural resources? Eco-friendly. Name the gadget which work on solar energy? Solar panel. Then what do we call to the season of crop from October to March? Rabi season. What make the land saline and follow? Over watering. Which leaves are mixed with the grain? Neem leaves. Which is used? What is used to protect the plant from disease? Pesticides. Whom does the credit for the green resolution goes to? Dr. M.S. Swaminathan. What reduces the value of food? Nutrition. Microorganism. What is added to jam and pickle? Preservative. What causes injury? What causes injuries and death and damage to vehicles? Traffic accident. Give full form of CNG. Compressed natural gas. LPG. Liquefied petroleum gas. What is mixed in the water to kill the germs in it? Chlorine. What do we set up to take care of domestic animal? Fodder camp. Which water carries microorganism? Sewage water. What is treat to the aquatic animal in pure water? What is threat to aquatic animal in pure water? True or false? We get rainwater throughout the year. False. Noise from vehicle causes restlessness. True. We must use private vehicle only when necessary. True. Egg will not spoil during transport. False. Foodstuff get warm when put in a fridge. Foodstuff गर्म होता है फ्रिज में. False. India is an agricultural country. True. We use improved seed does not lead to high yield. Improved seed है तो yield high होगा. It is false. Use of excess fertilizer is advantageous to the soil. False. Plants do not store food. False. We build houses to protect ourselves from wild animal. True. All section of society get clean potable water. False. In villages we see more building. No ना village में building कहाँ मिलती है? False. Leakage of tap must be immediately repaired. True. If there is fight between two of my friends, I must try to solve it. It is true. It is alright to throw one chocolate wrapper on the road. Wrong. False. It is not right. All the vehicle continue to honk as there was a traffic jam. It is also a false act. Complete the analogy. Law of gravity. It is nature. Celebrating festival together, that is good custom. Specify duty, rules. Poverty is obstacle. Issue, problem. Issues are solved, efforts and cooperation. Voluntary contribution, Shramadhan. Dialogue and discussion, solving dispute. Protect the plant, pesticides. Restore fertility, fertilizer. Rain, Kharif crop. October to March, Rabi crop. Then microorganism, air. Fungus, spores. Sewage water, poisonous substance. Chlorine kills the germs in water. Drought, no water for agriculture. Burn, stopping the water in the stream. Alum, settling process. Chlorine kills the germs.